Best things to do in Palma Mallorca, Spain 2025, crystal clear waters, hidden coves, Gothic cathedrals casting shadows at sunset. In 2025, new gems are opening up and old ones are shining brighter than ever. So what should you do, see, and experience in this paradise? Let's take you through the best of Palma. But first, like this video and subscribe because Mallorca's magic deserves a front row seat. Start with the city's heart, Old Town and landmarks. Palma's Old Town is a living museum. Begin early at La Seu, the cathedral. Its soaring Gothic arches, massive rose window, and facades overlooking a shimmering reflective pool give an almost ethereal welcome to the city. Don't miss heading upstairs for sunset when the stained glass splashes colored light across ancient stone. Nearby, the royal palace of La Almudaina offers a glimpse into Mallorca's royal past. Wander through its throne rooms, chapel, and Moorish-inspired courtyards, then relax in the adjacent Parc de la Mar, where the reflective water mirrors cathedral spires against a calm sky. Meander through narrow cobblestone lanes dotted with hidden plazas, cactus-filled courtyards, artisan studios, and cafes. You'll stumble upon St. Francis Church, the medieval Arab baths, and the quiet charm of Playa Major. Appreciate the small details, weathered doors, wrought iron balconies dripping with bougainvillea, and neighborhood bakeries serving fresh ensaimadas and cortados. Castles, rooftops, and panoramic vistas. Just a short walk from Old Town and up a leafy hill is Castell de Bellver, a rare circular Gothic castle with sweeping views over Palma Bay. Explore the castle's spiral ramparts, museum exhibits, and tree-ringed terrace at sunset. The panorama is an unforgettable reminder of this island's layered history. Back in town, blend modern with medieval at Baluard, the contemporary art museum set inside centuries-old bastions. Browse rotating exhibitions of Balearic and international artists, then head to the rooftop terrace for an unobstructed view of the bay, an inspiring visual rest between art pieces. Modern and historic art at Miró Foundation. Head west for a half-day visit to the Fundació Pilar at Joan Miró. Set in a tranquil estate by the sea, this museum preserves Miró's studios, sculpture gardens, and outdoor installations. Wander through art-filled studios where surrealism came to life, then sit in the garden under olive trees, contemplating painted canvases or bronze sculptures. Each year, the foundation highlights a flagship exhibition that makes this stop essential. Whether historic or experimental verticals inspired by Mallorca's light, always creating a fresh and engaging experience. Even the walls seem to breathe with creativity. Miró's brushstrokes feel alive, echoing from canvas to sky. The scent of pine and salt air drifts through open studio doors. Visitors speak in hushed tones as if walking through the artist's thoughts. It's not just a museum, it's a conversation between past and present, color and silence. Coastal relaxation and city beaches. Palma offers the perfect balance. City life with accessible beach time. Pere Antoni, right by the Old Town, is an urban blue flag beach. Great for quick dips or lounging with full facilities. Grab a shade, paddle in warm waters, and reward yourself at one of the beachfront cafes with sangria or freshly squeezed juice. Head slightly west to Cala Major for a quieter day. Its calm cove, beach clubs, and boat rentals make it a lovely mix of relaxation and leisure. And with a scenic promenade, it's ideal for strolling into town for dinner under the stars. Boat excursions and hidden coves. From the Palma Marina, day cruise boats depart for cliffs, coves, and secret spots. Local captains take swimmers to caves and grottos, jump off the boat, snorkel or kayak through crystalline bays shielded from the wind. It feels wild and private, yet incredibly close to the city. For a more daring escape, venture further afield to remote beaches like Cala in a national park, an inland wetland, perfect for birdwatching, paddling, and soft sand underfoot. Day trips into the Serra de Tramuntana. Buckle in for one of Europe's most stunning scenic drives, Mallorca's Serra de Tramuntana. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this mountain coast promises hairpin roads, terrace olive groves, and postcard villages. Start with the vintage Sóller train, which chugs through tunnels, gnarled olive and lemon trees, and farmland. In Sóller, linger in the upmarket plaza, sip espresso at outdoor cafes, and board the quaint wooden tram to the coastal port de Sóller, complete with a pastel-painted shorefront and seafood restaurants. From there, rent a car or take a guided route past Valldemossa, a pine-scented village famous for Chopin's winter stay. Wander its monastery, cafes, alleyways, and artisan shops. Continue toward Deià, where boutique hotels hub cliffs and creative energy flows in small galleries and literary cafes, the perfect spot for a late lunch. Dramatic nature, caves, and salt flats. Drive southeast to Porto Cristo for a tour of the legendary Drach caves. Descend into candlelit chambers, witness an underground lake concert, and experience the magical hush of deep earth. Nearby, the Trenc salt flats offer a contrasting landscape. Visitors can walk between mounds of white salt, watch traditional harvesting methods, and then swim in one of Mallorca's most pristine and less developed beaches. The mix of briny air and scenic flat landscapes is unlike any other Mediterranean beach. Wellness, farms, and local food culture. The modern Palma traveler seeks not just sights but deep, local-rooted experiences. Head inland to visit regenerative farms, where tours include olive oil tastings, herbal garden walks, and introductions to sustainable agriculture. Some farms even host cooking workshops where you prepare classic Mallorcan dishes. In the city, embrace the cafe renaissance. Places like Wonder Workshop blend specialty coffee, matcha beverages, vegan pastries, and minimalist interiors, capturing Palma's youthful, conscious vibe. Evening options range from casual tapas in Santa Catalina, a bohemian neighborhood packed with bars and bite-sized seafood, to refined Michelin-tier plates at top tables. Picnic and tapas combinations are common. Expect dishes like sobrasada, spicy cured sausage, local fish, ensaimadas, and regional wines, transforming every meal into a cultural exploration. Rooftop bars, sunset clubs, and unique experiences. Palma nightlife is mellow and scenic. Sip cocktails at rooftop lounges overlooking the Passi Maritimo or Marina. Connect with the slow-living local rhythm, no need to rush. As the sun dips, pull up a low seat at a beachside lounge or food truck park, where music drifts over the water and tapas plates pass around communal tables. Think less party until dawn and more share a sunset moment and stroll home. Unique memories, perfumes, architectured gardens. Seek out hidden stories. Try a tailored perfume workshop. Blend your own signature scent using local citrus, rosemary, lavender, and sea-salted elements. You walk out with a fragrance that reminds you of Mallorca's Mediterranean light. Visit Canlis, a futuristic house on the hills near Porto Petro, designed by modernist architect Joan. It's an architectural gem, minimal curves, and stunning sea views, open to visitors by appointment. Spend a quiet hour in the Moors and Christian-style Jardins de Alfabia, with fountains, secret pathways, and botanical richness. A verger pause in a busy trip. Sample 5-day itinerary. Day 1, city highlights. Morning in Old Town, Cathedral, Almudaina, Arab baths. Lunch in Mercat de l'Olivar, tapas crawl. Afternoon at Baluard Museum, rooftop drinks. Evening walk along Paseo Maritimo. Day 2, coastal chill. Beach day at Can Pere Antoni or Cala Major. Swim, cafe lunch, boat cruise. Sunset cocktails at a beach lounge. Day 3, mountain escape. Vintage train to Sóller, then tram to Port de Sóller. Lunch by the sea, then drive through Valldemossa to Deià. Sunset in Deià, return by car or bus. Day 4, caves and coast. Morning tour of Drach caves. Lunch in Porto Cristo. Afternoon at Trenc salt flats and beach. Day 5, culture and hidden finds, visit Miró Foundation. Afternoon scent blending workshop or Alfabia Gardens. Evening tapas in Santa Catalina, farewell drinks on a rooftop. Why Palma still shines in 2025. In 2025, Palma balances heritage and novel energy. You'll find centuries-old cathedrals and castles blending seamlessly with design-conscious cafes, regenerative farms, and a growing art scene. Urban beaches, hidden coves, cave concert halls, and mountain villages offer a layered vacation. City and nature, activity and rest, art and authenticity. It's this multi-dimensional experience that makes Palma one of Europe's most captivating destinations. It's not just a sun and sea trip, it's a living tapestry of past, present, and future, wrapped in Mediterranean warmth. So which moment in Palma are you dreaming of now? Whether it's strolling through ancient streets or diving into turquoise waters, this island gives you more than memories, it gives you magic. Been there already or planning to go? Drop your favorite spot in the comments. And if this video sparked your wanderlust, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking travel adventures coming your way.